Initiating the construction project now.
Here, Precision AI drives the initial planning phase. Each construction concept is rapidly synchronized systems construct the foundation. Data streams assemble precise structural narratives. Here, precision meets absolute narrative logic. Every module is verified by... Welcome to the Character Design Lab. Here, AI creates high-precision digital workers. Welcome to the future of design. Here, precision meets scale. This factory creates photorealistic worlds. Terrain modules are assembled with absolute precision. Welcome to the future of cinematic simulation. Every movement here is rendered in real time. Inside the bay, the simulation takes form. Every movement is calculated in real time. Inside the studio, precision is rendered in real time. AI processors refine every micro-movement. Precision automation shapes every landscape, mimicking real-world environments at scale. This facility processes millions of synthetic images daily. Massive server arrays render
Checking scale and lighting on batch 4.
Machinery consistency passes.
Every frame is precisely aligned. Quantum systems check continuity. This is the future of video assembly. Welcome to the future of animation rendering. Here, AI calculate every movement with absolute... Inside this massive factory, digital clips are assembled. High-speed robotics combine complex sequences. Inside this facility, artificial voices are engineered. Every synthetic syllable is crafted with perfect...
Advanced AI systems isolate and remove background noise.
Precision timing aligns every element, from excavation to final finishing. This is the future.
This factory creates perfect audio. AI models generate realistic sounds. Each module...
Here, artificial intelligence constructs perfect audio environments. Every layer is precisely balanced. Inside the media factory, AI systems generate soundtracks for the miniature construction video.
Every sonic layer is precisely balanced. Consoles manage volume and dynamic range.
Welcome to the world's first AI visual effects factory. Here, particle generators create Welcome to the world's first AI thumbnail factory, where high-impact construction concepts are generated in Every thumbnail undergoes strict human and AI inspection. We verify clarity and composition. Approve. Each display undergoes rigorous synchronization tests. We measure sharpness and framing on every benchmark. Our lab... Welcome to the future of content delivery. Here, AI redirects video for mobile screens. Precision. Every module is perfectly synchronized, packaging content at an industrial scale. Ready?
Inside this factory, AI systems generate content metadata. Each module is validated in real time.
Billions of data points are processed every second, mapping human speech to perfect visual frames.
All packages are now queued for release. Routing protocols are operating normally.
Inside the facility, AI processing begins. Media packages are transferred securely. Each construction package undergoes final verification, ensuring a flawless release.
All systems are green for final release. Initiating data transfer now.
Inside this massive factory, data flows at incredible speeds, reaching Here, AI transforms insights into optimized production, a continuous